Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to make group chat on Snapchat. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Snapchat. After that, click on chats icon, and after that we must click on this little blue icon. Click here, and now you can choose some people and click chat with group. Here you can enter name of your group, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.